Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, and when you're looking for a new vacuum, there's two terms that always seem to pop up. One is airflow and one is suction. The one phrase, suction, is being promoted by the #1 vacuum manufacturer, which is Dyson. The term airflow is promoted by the world's oldest vacuum manufacturer, which is Miele. I'm actually right in front of a Miele cat and dog C3, and I'm going to show you what Miele means by airflow and why it's better than suction. So when you have suction, suction's great if you want to hold the bowling ball, but suction isn't very good when you're trying to clean flooring of various types and carpeting, especially have cat and dogs that may have dander down in the carpet pile. So I'm going to turn on this vac, and I've got a coffee bean. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to illustrate the difference between suction versus airflow. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. I'm going to turn on medium here. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hand right over that coffee bean. Okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the vac. And what's going to happen is you're going to see what suction does for picking up various things like coffee beans. There's the coffee bean still in my hand. Suction does not clean carpeting or does not clean any other type of flooring. Airflow is what cleans. And Miele is the best at having airflow go through any of their vacs. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this back on. And then I'm going to illustrate, actually, let me do it this way. I'm going to hold it in my hand, just like we had, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn this back on, and then I'm going to allow a little bit of airflow to go through, and it totally sucked up that coffee bean. So I'm going to go ahead and do that one more time, just to show you airflow. Airflow always cleans better than suction. So when you're looking for a new vacuum, you really need to consider the Miele vacs. Miele has the best airflow of any vac out there. And one other thing I'm just going to show you. This is a Miele parquet tool. Okay? This is designed for laminate or hardwood. And what Miele does is they're going to have these little indentations. So if we're running across flooring, you'll see airflow is going to be allowed to go through these various bristles, and these are very, very soft bristles. So if you have delicate hardwood, this is going to be an ideal tool for you. Okay, if you have any questions, go to donsappliances.com. We've got a full assortment of the Miele vacs on our website. We've got a chat team available to answer any of your questions, and thank you for watching.